Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about the JSP declaration element. Now friends, we have already seen that we can indeed declare the variable using a scriptlet or expression, which is very simple. In here I can type an int x equals to 10 and then we can easily print the information on the web page. If I execute this web page, then there won't be any issue. Here is the output, which is perfect. Now friends, the question arises that as we already have the way to declare a variable, why should we have a yet another JSP declaration element for declaring variable, right? So in here, let me show you firstly what exactly is a declaration element. The element is pretty simple. In here, we make use of %! And in here, we can, for example, type an int x equal to 33 maybe this time. And again, let me refresh the page and here is the output 33. Now friends, when it comes to declaration, we can again make use of access specifier as well. In here, I can easily type in public and this won't create any kind of issue. But when it comes to a scriptlet, we won't be able to do this. As soon as we make use of access specifier, there would be an error, and if I refresh the page, there would be a crash. So take a note of it. In declaration, we can make use of access specifier, but when it comes to what we say scriptlet, we won't be able to make use of specifiers. Now this is a minor thing, but the major thing is the declaration is used to declare methods. That's the major point. So majorly, whenever we would like to declare a method, we will always make use of declaration. So let me give you an example. In here, for example, there is this method which returns a string. The name of the method is message maybe, and this message simply return a string, and string is I love JSP. Alright, so this seems to be good enough, and using the expression element, we will simply call in the message method. So in here I will type in message and that's it. Alright, let me refresh the page and here is the output. Alright, so friends, this is it. Whenever we would like to declare a method, we must use a JSP declaration, which is the purpose of this element. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.